Hello everybody and welcome back to yet another lesson of Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, your teacher, MWARI wa MANGI. In our first lesson, we familiarized ourselves with the alphabet, the vowels, and the syllables as used in the Kikuyu language. In this audio, we are going to focus on the numbers. So let's look at the first 10, starting with the number 0 is naughty. Naughty, naughty. Or yet we have another word for it. Kefogo, kefogo, kefogo. Number 1 is imwe, imwe, imwe. Number 2 is igîrî, igîrî, igîrî. Number 3 is ithatû, ithatû, ithatû. Number 4 is inya, inya, inya. Number 5 is igana, igana, igana. Number 6 is ithatû, ithatû, ithatû. Number 7 is mugwanja, mugwanja, mugwanja. Number 8 is inyanya, inyanya, inyanya. Number 9 is keda, keda, keda. Number 10 is ikumi, ikumi, ikumi. Now we are going to have a look at the numbers 1 to 10 again, starting with 0 to 10. Kefogo, imwe, igîrî, ithatû, inya, ithano, ithathatû, mugwanja, inyanya, keda, ikumi. Kefogo, imwe, igîrî, ithatû, inya, ithano, ithathatû, mugwanja, inyanya, keda, ikumi. In the next set of numbers, that is from 11 to 19, the emphasis is on the pattern. Once you master the pattern, then it's easier to memorize. So in 11, for example, we have the number 1 representing tens, that is ikumi, accompanied by another number of additional units to make double digits. And now holding to this role, the number 10 and 1 combine together to make 11, that is ikumi na imwe, ikumi na imwe. The number 12 is ikumi na igîrî, ikumi na igîrî, ikumi na igîrî. A combination of 1 and 3 now becomes ikumi na ithatû, ikumi na ithatû, ikumi na ithatû. This pattern continues for the next numbers, that is 14 to 19. Number 20 is mirioni, mirioni, And here I digress a bit to point out the double vowels. In, ere, ere. You can see there the use of the double vowels. As from number 21 to 29, the same rule applies as was with numbers 11 to 19. We have the number 21 as mirongo ere na imwe. 22 is mirongo ere na igîrî. 23 is mirongo ere na ithatû. 24 is mirongo ere na inya, and so on and so forth. Number 30 is mirongo ithatû. Mirongo ithatû. Mirongo ithatû. Number 40 is mirongo ina. Mirongo ina. Mirongo ina. 50, mirongo itano. Mirongo itano. Mirongo itano. 60, mirongo itandatu. Mirongo itandatu. Mirongo itandatu. 70, mirongo mugwanja. Mirongo mugwanja. Mirongo mugwanja. 90, mirongo kenda. Mirongo kenda. Mirongo kenda. 100, igana rimwe. Igana rimwe. Igana. 200, magana meri. Magana meri. Magana meri. 300, magana matatu. Magana matatu. Magana matatu. 400, magana mana. Magana mana. Magana mana. 500, magana matano. Magana matano. Magana matano. 600, magana matandatu. Magana matandatu. Magana matandatu. 700, magana mugwanja. Magana mugwanja. Magana mugwanja. 800, magana manana. Magana manana. Magana manana. 900, magana kenda. Magana kenda. Magana kenda. 1000, igîrî imwe. Igîrî imwe. Igîrî imwe. 2000, igîrî igîrî. Igîrî igîrî. Igîrî igîrî. 100,000, igîrî igana rimwe. Igîrî igana rimwe. Igîrî igana rimwe. 200,000 is igîrî magana meri. Igîrî magana meri. Igîrî magana meri. 1 million, mirioni imwe. Mirioni imwe. Mirioni imwe. We have now come to the end of our lesson today. Thank you for choosing to learn Kikuyu with me in this channel, Let's Learn Kikuyu. It's my sincere hope that you'll practice your numbers in Kikuyu and count your way through the next audio that will teach you how to say hello and goodbye in Kikuyu. Please subscribe to my channel for more of these. Cheers!